Good morning, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and it's really early. Well, it's just after 6 a.m. The sun is coming up really gorgeous, and we got a big move for the two flocks, the silkies and the main flock. Where's your partner? She's still inside asleep? Oh, there's one baby. Come on, baby, get hungry. And where's the rest of them, girl, and your partner? Must be back there, huh? Okay, so we just moved. Big move. Chickens. Went. Yes, Daddy. Went all the way from the back oak tree under there behind the garden all the way up here. Yeah.
It's the second run on this batch. So we ran them in the spring on the first couple weeks up here, and now the grass is regrown and the forage we put in there is regrown, and so we're getting some nice grass.
Yep. And what's in our forage?
Everything.
Everything. Whatever our feed store gave us, basically.
Whatever seeds and grains and radishes we could get. So
yeah.
A lot of it comes up. It depends on what the animals eat before, like the squirrels and turkeys.
Yeah.
And it depends on the weather, the rain, and the heat, what grows. So not all of it grows every time.
We lost Gus in the move. He's somewhere around here. Oh, I think I found him. He found his old scoop with other babies in it. I had one casualty on this move. Want to explain what happened on what you had to fix?
Oh, the little trailer hitch prop, yeah, that we hold it up on the rest. Was kind of haphazardly made a long time ago, and that also has been splitting and falling apart and fell off. And I guess he said it got run over, but it was already barely hanging in there, so we
Had to redo it.
we did a real rough job of putting a few new screws and pieces in there so it'll hold up the hitch.
Yep. And that's so the trailer doesn't do a topple when the chickens go in. What are you doing? We also lost one bird on the way over because we didn't lose a bird as in died, but Gus tends to disappear
He
sometimes.
wanders around a little bit, so yep.
Yeah, he doesn't go into coops, so we basically ended up herding him back in. Well, we got them moved. They're on new forage. They'll be moving around this front section for the next few weeks before they get back to the back again, I guess, later in the summer. So
Yep.
That's our chicken move. Took a little while this morning because it was a big move, but minor casualty, minor challenges, but we got it done in the end. Thanks for watching. And a baby who wants to be upside down.